Hi, welcome to another short video. Today we're going to tackle creating a new job posting. As you can see, we're already in the job board. To get there, we just go to team and then job board. And here we are, all of the jobs that we already have posted. So to create a new job, we go to the button here, create new job posting. Here we have two options. Option one is quick builder. So what that will do, we're going to answer a few questions and the software will create a professional looking job posting for us. So we're going to start with that. So we're going to say here we're looking for a rope access technician. We're looking for a level 2 IRATA, and we're going to ask for 1 to 2 years, 50 pounds for minimum weight carrying. The job will be in Canada, British Columbia, let's say Vancouver. And we click next, and then we want a full-time permanent position, and we're going to ask for a first aid certificate, own vehicle, valid driver's license, obviously, and let's go with drug test. And here we're going to click next. We're going to offer 33 to 40 per hour, and we click next. The software is now creating our job posting. This usually takes about a minute. It's gonna give us a bunch of details, what to add. Here we have it. We have an introduction that people can read, all the requirement and all the details that we've entered. Super fast, super easy, and we publish. And there it is. It's viewable by technicians. We see the applicants that we have, 0, obviously. This is a demo account. So yeah, this is how we create a job posting. We'll have more videos showing how to apply to them or how to send job offer. Thank you for watching. See you later.